Hi LearnDash users. Welcome to our channel. A quiz timer is very important for taking exams. In LearnDash, you can use our plugin LearnDash Quiz Timer to set timer per question. But do you think timer should run even when the user is just practicing? Or, when user is trying just test him and desires to take quiz without timer? Is it possible to give option to LearnDash students to switch on or switch off timer? The big news is that our LearnDash Quiz Timer plugin is just upgraded with this amazing facility. Now if you wish, you can grant the option to run timer to students. Here is how it works. First, install and activate our LearnDash Quiz Timer plugin in your WordPress website. After installation, you will find the LearnDash Quiz Timer menu on the WordPress sidebar. Click it. To give the option to students to run the timer, enable Show Timer Options to User toggle button. Now, select your quiz and click Fetch button. Next, put each question time. For instance, we want to set each question 35 seconds and enable per question timer. Next, hit Save Changes button. You can see by default, each question time of your quiz is updated to 35 seconds. You can also change the specific time to any question if you wish. The total time on the timer will be updated automatically. Once you set the quiz time, click Save or Update button as the case may be. Next very important step is to enable or disable the option to display option button on quiz page. If you enable the button to display the option, the user will see the timer option toggle button on the quiz page. By default, the toggle that appears on quiz page is switched on, which means the timer will run when he or she attempts quiz. However, if student switches off the timer plugin before starting the quiz, the timer will not run. So he can practice without timer. Other students who have not switched off can still practice with timer. Isn't it great? So, thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up.